Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Open Windows Security and go straight to Virus and Threat Protection. This ensures the app is active. Once done, check that your account has admin rights and that Windows Update shows no pending reboots, because updates can block history display. Run a quick scan to generate fresh log entries and make sure Windows Defender services are running. This primes the protection history to appear. Now continue by repairing the components that show history. Open Services and restart the Windows Defender Security Center and Windows Defender Antivirus Service. This refreshes runtime logging. Next, open Event Viewer, backup then clear the Microsoft Windows Defender/operational log if it's corrupted, because old corrupt logs block new entries. Once done, run PowerShell as admin and use getMP threat to verify records. Finish by applying last-mile fixes so you can view history. Install any pending updates, reboot, and open protection history again to confirm entries appear. If it remains blank, reset the Windows Security app in Settings, Apps Advanced Options. This rebuilds its local store. Make sure to test with a new local admin account to rule out profile corruption. If nothing helps, that single troubleshooting tip, create a new admin user, quickly isolates whether the problem is per user or system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.